Good evening. Tonight I am going to perform surgical hand scrub. Scrubbing is a systematic hand wash of hands and forearms. Himuani siya prior taking any surgical procedure, and all the members of the surgical team are required to perform prior to surgery. The aiming of this scrubbing is it removes microorganisms and dirt and helps prevent infections. Ang pag-scrubbing will last 3 to 5 minutes. Kanya, dapat mag-wear ka eye protective mask and surgical mask. Then, dapat naka-open daan ang sterile gown and sterile gloves. So, make sure po not to touch anything kay if you will touch unsterile kay you will start again the scrub, will start again the process. So, now we will start. I-open sa daan ang sterile pack nga which is diha nakasulod ang kanang sterile brush and sterile nail pick. So, open na siya. Wash your hands. Pre-scrub wash. Ang pre-scrub wash kay maka-help siya to remove the excess of dirt para sa contamination niya para sorry, if you will done, i-rinse siya. So, make sure nga the hands is high level of the elbow kay para ang dirt gani dili mo run down sa kanang unsterile forearms nga makakontaminate na hinuon siya. Make sure to stay your hands above the elbow. So now, we will clean the nails. So we will pick the sterile nail pick. So this will used for cleaning the edge of the nails. After using this, discard to the trash bin. So we will do the scrub with brush. This side of the brush I will use to clean my nails. In the other side, brush the palm. The interdigit of the fingers. Make sure to clean all the aspect of hands. After the brush, rinse the hands and make sure to hide the position of your hands above the elbow. So rinse thoroughly. And now, we will do the final scrub. So this time, we will not use the brush na. So, we will use the antiseptic soap. So rub your palm. Interlocking. Interdigit of the fingers. Make sure ma-limpyo ni siya. One hand and the other hand. And the rest. So rinse. Rinse thoroughly.